In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in websites in Android using Replit, hashtag coding, hashtag VSP, ACS, hashtag HTML/programming. We'll keep this simple and mobile-friendly. You'll be working inside a sample Replit project on your Android device, so you can see exactly how an image gets added to a basic web page and then publish it to a live link. If you're on a phone, switching your browser to desktop mode or rotating to landscape can make the editor easier to use. Start by opening the sample code project in Replit on your Android device. Once the editor loads, you should see the file tree and your main HTML file, typically index.html, along with the preview panel. This is the workspace where we'll add an image automatically using Replit's built-in prompt tools. Next, open the prompt menu labeled Make Test Iterate. This menu is a helper that performs common coding tasks for you. It's handy on mobile because it reduces typing and prevents small syntax mistakes that can happen on a phone keyboard. In the prompt input, type Add Sample Image. This tells Replit to prepare a basic image asset and the corresponding HTML. Using a consistent prompt like this helps the tool recognize exactly what you want to do. Insert an example image without you needing to write the HTML by hand. When you see the suggestion called Add a Sample Image below, select it. That confirms the action you requested and sets up the snippet the editor will add. You're essentially approving the change before it lands in your code. Press the Enter key to apply it. After this, look for a short pause while the editor updates. You should see an element appear in your HTML, along with an image file in your project's assets. If your preview is open, give it a moment to refresh. Click the section titled Defining Image Generation Parameters. This screen explains what the tool is adding and how it's configured. On mobile, it's fine to keep the defaults. The important part is that the IMG tag has a valid SRC and an alt description, so the image displays and remains accessible. Now click Publish. This prepares your project for a live preview link and makes it easy to test on your phone without running a local server. Finally, click Publish Your App. Replit will generate a public URL. Open it to confirm the image appears on the page. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. Then verify the SRC path matches the added app.